Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the June My Creative Scrapbook main kit. Now, if you're not already a kit subscriber, I will leave a link listed down below in the description box. And if you join, add my name, Melissa Minor, because they will send you a free gift. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Now, this month's kit is filled with lots and lots of the Pink Fresh Studio Fresh Start collection. Always included in your kit is a sketch, so there'll be lots of inspiration posted not only on the My Creative Scrapbook website, but the design team will also have videos this month that you can see for inspiration. So here's the first pattern paper. I love this with all these hearts and the beautiful colors. And then we've got this fun like crossword style page. So that's very interesting. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but maybe I'll come up with an idea for that page. But I love the hearts, so I don't know. Then we've got this really pretty like minty green color paper, and then this pattern on the back that's multicolored. We've got this yellow pattern paper with like pom-poms on it. And then on the back, we've got all these different icons. So like they're inspirational icons, like you got this, and your limited edition, keep going. So that's super fun. You could use this pattern paper as it is, cut it up. You could fussy cut some of these images on here. There's lots of different things you could do with that paper. We've got this pretty paper with the different circles and like half circles with the different colors. Ooh, and I love this pattern paper with all the different icons. We've got chairs and cameras and coffee pots and globes, and just this reminds me of just everyday life, right? Then we've got this really pretty pink paper. It looks kind of like it's got a little bit of mixed media. We've got more inspirational phrases on this piece of pattern paper here. Then we've got like this astrology page here. It looks kind of like a night sky with some stars and the sun and the moon. Then we've got, this beautiful butterfly paper. We've got this more like plaid blue here. And then we've got a color wheel. I can see myself cutting that apart and putting it all back together. I love this pink pattern paper design here. And then on the back, we've got a plaid with some pink florals. That's gorgeous. We've got a really pretty a rainbow striped paper with like the pastels. And then we've got this like notebook paper, a little mixed media and some florals. We've got this darker pink floral with light floral pinks on it. Then we've got like this Polaroid style. Reminds me of Polaroids pattern paper here with different icons. I can also see myself fussy cutting these out. That would be fun. And then we've got this like an ombre paper with like a pink to a purple. And then on the back, we've got these fun images with florals and leafy bits. Got this gorgeous floral paper here. Very, very pretty. And then, with like bows on the back. That's gorgeous. I just love the unique color combination in this kit. Now for the rest of the kit, let me see here. We do have a stencil. So I believe this is a Vicky Bouton stencil, and I don't know if each of them will vary, but this is the stencil I received. And then we receive every month a pre-cut cut file. So this one says Everyday Moments. Now you will receive a code where you can go online and you have access to all of the cut files. We have these chipboard stickers. There's 59 pieces. So we've got things that say like, do more of what makes you happy, fresh start, on my list, keep growing, happy days, start where you are, day by day. And then here's some more sentiments on the back. So much to smile about, favorite moments, the good life, little details, here and now, sunshine and smiles, time for coffee. The magic is in you. Worry less and do your best. And then we have 2 packs of ephemera. So I'm going to bring out my 5x7 iris container here. And I'm first going to open the floral ephemera pack. There are 35 pieces in this floral set. The first thing that fell out here, you could see that really pretty butterfly. And then I really like these leaves. Everything's all tangled together here. I like that there's not like that white border on them. I love when you have die cuts with very little white border or none. And so most of these don't have any white borders on them. So I like that. So they look more realistic in my opinion. There's a couple of pieces that looks like I need to punch out that didn't quite come out when they were packaging these up. So I'll just punch those out as we go. But I will give you a look here at the very pretty floral designs and butterflies that are included in this ephemera set. Looks like we have several different leaves, so I love when there's, lots of leaves included in this set. It seems like I never have enough leaves. Then we've got some more butterflies and all the flowers that coordinate with the colors in this kit. See, here is another floral, another butterfly. I can definitely see myself popping some of these up on foam tape and just making some really pretty floral clusters. These are all very usable. I might use every single one in this set. I do like it. So again, this is all from Pink Fresh Studio. And let's see, it says their designer is Caitlin Schaefer, I believe is what it says. Not familiar with her, but I really do like this line. We also have this pack of ephemera, and this is just called Ephemera Fresh Start, and there's 45 pieces in here. So these are like the icons. So we've got these little like push pins and tabs that say small progress. We've got a couple journaling blocks here, some books. That looks like a piece of washi tape, a pen. Another journaling block. These are more geared, I think, towards everyday, although it's kind of office-y, inspirational. You could really scrapbook everyday photos with these, and I love collections that have more of your everyday stuff because I feel like that's the important things to remember, not just like big trips or big events, like the everyday. You've got a little typewriter. And there's a coffee pot. That's super cute. And then a little plant like that. We've got never forget how wildly capable you are. So we've got even a couple titles in here. I like this cute little notebook page. Here's some scissors. I'm just going to punch out the center of those. And then here's a title piece, Begin Again. Some more plants. And then we've got just like a little tag. We've got, oh, this is cute. It's like a couple little Polaroids. And then this is going to punch out here. So I've got a place where I could back these with like pattern papers and use that in a little cluster. That's neat. We've got Grow at Your Own Pace. And It's a Good Day. Another little piece of washi. A notebook. And then this is just like a tray with some icons on it. This is more like office-y or school, crafty, I guess it could be. We've got a little coffee cup, coffee mug here. Let me punch this out. And then a little tab that says, Let the New Adventures Begin. Some books. We've got a globe. This says, Pick Yourself First. And then a title that says, You Brighten the World. There's a couple more pieces in here, a couple more pencils and different colors. And we've got Fresh Start. Every day is a fresh start. I'm not sure what this is. And then we've got this little piece here. Looks like that punches out. So I'm just going to keep the center. And then another coffee. Is this like an espresso machine? I think that's what that is. A couple more of the little clips, like binder clips and push pins. So all super, super fun items. I'm going to keep the packaging in here. So anything I have left after I design with this kit, I'll place it back in their packaging. So that is a look at everything that is included in this month's kit. I like to store it in these envelopes here. Again, I will have a link down below in the description box to the My Creative Scrapbook website, and I'll also link the storage envelope in case you're interested in these. I always appreciate when you shop my links or use my name as a referral, as that helps me out on YouTube. If you have any questions, you can drop them below and I will get back with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!